Top 20 ways to build multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of income is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. It's risky, limiting, and leaves you vulnerable to sudden financial shocks. In today's rapidly changing world, building multiple streams of income isn't just smart, it's essential. If you've ever dreamed of creating wealth, living life on your terms, or achieving true financial independence, this video is your ultimate guide. Here, we'll explore 20 powerful ways to create, sustain, and grow multiple income streams, focusing on both active and passive strategies. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to expand or someone taking your first step toward financial freedom, these insights will inspire action. So let's dive in. Let's start by understanding why multiple income streams matter. Entrepreneurs know that unpredictability goes hand in hand with opportunity. While one income source might thrive today, it could disappear tomorrow. The solution? Diversification. By cultivating multiple streams of income, you protect yourself against market shifts, gain leverage to reinvest in opportunities, and build a foundation for lasting wealth. But here's the real magic. Multiple income streams buy you freedom. Freedom to pursue passions, spend more time with loved ones, and create a life not dictated by financial stress. Wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about having your money work for you. Freelancing is one of the simplest ways to start building an additional income stream. Are you a writer, designer, marketer, or programmer? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer services to clients worldwide. The best part? Freelancing is flexible. You choose your clients, your rates, and your schedule. Start small, build a portfolio, and over time, this can evolve into a full-time venture or remain a steady supplemental income source. If freelancing is too individualistic, consider scaling it into a service business. For example, if you're great at social media, start a social media management agency. Enjoy fitness? Offer personal coaching or group classes. The key is to identify skills or hobbies others are willing to pay for and turn your expertise into a business. Do you have expertise others would love to learn? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to create courses on virtually any subject: coding, photography, cooking, or even productivity hacks. While it takes time to develop a polished course, the reward is lasting. Once your course is live, the revenue becomes mostly passive, earning while you sleep. E-commerce is flourishing, and there's ample space for creative entrepreneurs. Whether it's selling handmade crafts on Etsy or launching a full-fledged store on Shopify, your products can reach audiences worldwide. E-commerce allows you to diversify by scaling into niche markets or offering evergreen products that continue delivering consistent revenue. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, growing a personal brand can translate into multiple income streams. Sponsorships, partnerships, and ad revenues are just a few ways influencers monetize their reach. The key is building trust with your audience and providing value, whether that's through entertainment, education, or empowerment. Short-term gigs like ride-sharing through Uber or offering your photography services for weekend events provide quick and flexible income streams. While these gigs won't make you wealthy overnight, they could supplement existing income or fund new ventures. Think of them as stepping stones. Now, let's shift into passive income options, starting with real estate. Investing in property is one of the most reliable ways to gain steady cash flow. Renting out properties generates monthly income, while property appreciation builds long-term wealth. If purchasing physical real estate seems daunting, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate without direct ownership. Stocks that pay dividends are another great path to passive income. Dividend-paying companies share profits with their investors, providing steady payouts along with potential stock appreciation. The process is simple. Set up a diversified portfolio, reinvest dividends for compound growth, and enjoy passive earnings over time. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow investors to earn interest by funding loans for others. Unlike traditional banking, peer-to-peer lending offers attractive returns while giving borrowers access to alternative funding. Though this carries some risk, thorough research and diversified lending can mitigate losses and yield steady returns. Write a book, create a song, design a software tool. Anything you own the rights to and people find valuable can generate royalties. These royalties create a lifetime income stream, especially if your creation solves a problem or appeals to a passionate audience. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant integration of active and passive income. By recommending products you genuinely believe in, you earn a commission on sales generated through your links. Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, and Impact.com are great starting points. The more your platform grows, the greater your earning potential. Think of items like ebooks, printables, or mobile applications. Once you create these digital products, they can be sold repeatedly without additional effort or costs. This method allows you to scale infinitely while providing passive income. A YouTube channel combines creativity and earning potential. Share educational content, tutorials, entertainment, or even reviews, and monetize through Google AdSense or sponsorships. YouTube can start as active income, but evolve into a passive source as older videos rack up views long after their release. Blogging remains a powerful way to earn online. Through ad revenue, affiliations, and sponsored posts, bloggers build multiple income streams while sharing valuable content. The secret is consistency. Pick a niche you're passionate about, post regularly, and optimize your posts for search engines to increase traffic steadily. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. You handle marketing and sales while a supplier ships items directly to customers. Platforms like Oberlo or Spocket seamlessly integrate with your online store, making this a straightforward path to semi-passive income. Subscription-based businesses, such as membership-only content, online communities, or access to premium resources, are growing. Recurring revenue gives businesses predictable cash flow, making it easier to scale. This model applies to almost any niche, from fitness to finance, gaming to graphic design. Scaling your income streams means finding ways to earn more without increasing your workload. Automating repetitive tasks using tools like Zapier, outsourcing certain processes, or hiring a team expands your capacity and revenue potential. Entrepreneurs who design businesses to operate without constant supervision find it easier to grow wealth. Use earnings from your income streams to fund other ventures. For example, profits from your e-commerce store can help you invest in real estate or a dividend-paying stock portfolio. Reinvestment is the bridge between having extra income and achieving wealth. Let your money do the hard work for you. Partnerships amplify what you're capable of achieving alone. Teaming up with the right people or businesses can provide skills, opportunities, or resources you may lack. For example, co-partnering on an educational course, real estate flip, or digital product can diversify your reach and split the workload. Remember, the goal is more than earning money. It's about reducing risks and building a stable financial foundation. Avoid putting all your energy into one or two income streams. Instead, spread efforts across active, passive, and hybrid models. This not only cushions financial setbacks, but also keeps you flexible to adapt and thrive in changing markets. Let's recap. Today, we explored 20 proven strategies to build robust multiple income streams. From active ventures like freelancing, creating online courses, and launching service businesses, to passive investments in real estate or dividend stocks, each method opens doors to greater freedom and financial security. But remember, none of this happens overnight. Building multiple streams of income takes time, patience, and consistency. Start small, focus on one idea, get it off the ground, and move to the next. The greatest reward of financial independence isn't just wealth, it's the freedom to live life on your terms. It's waking up each morning knowing that your income works for you, supporting the life you've designed. So, what's stopping you? Take the first step today. Choose one idea from this video and act on it. Your financial freedom journey begins now. The road may be long, but the view at the end is truly worth it. Let's make it happen.